you're craving a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you earning for more, look no further than Pune's vibrant food scene. But let's talk about the star of the show, the one dish that steals the spotlight and captures the hearts of both locals and visitors, Misal Pav. Join us as we embark on a delectable journey to uncover the best 5 places in Pune. Katakir. Tucked away in the bustling neighborhood of Deccan Gymkhana, Katakir, a modest eatery that has earned quite a reputation for its drool-worthy misal pav. Katakir welcomes you every day from 8 am to 6 pm. Located at 40/6 Bhonde Colony, Karve Road, Deccan Gymkhana, Pune 411004. The cost for 2 is 200 rupees. Shri Krishna Bhavan. Now let me take you to Shri Krishna Bhavan, which offers you an authentic Pune-style misal pav experience. This charming eatery focuses all its attention on the incredible food that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Shri Krishna Bhavan welcomes you from 7:30 am to 3:30 pm every day of the week. You'll find it nestled at 1164 Shanipar Mandai Road, Tulshi Bagh, Pune 411002. The cost for 2 is 200 rupees. Vedia Tea Stall. Let's uncover another legendary gem in the vibrant Narayanpet Vedia Tea Stall. This humble establishment has made a name for itself with its mouth-watering misal pav. Vedia Tea Stall opens its doors from 7:30 am to 6 pm every day of the week. You can find this treasure trove of flavors at 418 Manja Bachar Bole Road, Narayanpet, Pune, a location that puts you right in the heart of the action. The cost for 2 is 200 rupees. Vedia Upahargraha. Let's take a detour to the lively neighborhood of Budwarpet. As soon as we entered Vedia Upahargraha, we instantly felt at home in this warm and inviting eatery. If you're planning a visit, keep in mind that Vedia Upahargraha is open from 7 am to 11:30 am and then again from 3 pm to 7 pm every day of the week. You'll find it nestled at 767 Bagade Road, Budwarpet, Pune 411002. The cost for 2 is 200 rupees. Appa Misal Wale. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds at Appa Misal Wale, a modest eatery that is famous for its authentic and mouth-watering misal pav. Appa Misal Wale welcomes you from 8:30 am to 5 pm every day of the week. You can find this hidden gem located at Chaudi Chowk near Bharat Petrol Pump, 527 New Nana Pet, Ganesh Pet, Pune. The cost for 2 is 150 rupees. In conclusion, if you find yourself in Pune, don't miss the opportunity to indulge in this culinary delight. Get ready to embark on a gastronomic adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you earning for more.